से क्षितिज देखने वाले मेरे सभी दोस्तों को हेलो नमस्ते जय हिंद और जय राम जी की। दोस्तों पिछले कई दिनों से कांग्रेस में भगदड़ मची हुई है। पिछले कई दिनों से कांग्रेस के बड़े बड़े नेता कांग्रेस को लात मारकर दूसरी पार्टियों में जाने में लगे हुए हैं, कांग्रेस को छोड़ने में लगे हुए हैं और उनमें सबसे फ्रेश नाम है गौरव वल्लभ। अभी कांग्रेस अगर परेशानी में हो, कांग्रेस को दिक्कत हो, कांग्रेस से कोई चला जाए या कांग्रेस को बुरा भला बोल दे और हमारा राजदीप चुप रह जाए, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता।
राहुल गांधी has not changed, गौरव वल्लभ has changed। जहां उगता सूरज जा रहा है, you're going with it।
मसलन इस बंदे ने तुरंत गौरव वल्लभ को अपने शो पर बुला लिया ताकि वो इसे एक्सपोज कर सके, लेकिन गौरव वल्लभ ने उल्टा इसको और कांग्रेस को ही एक्सपोज कर दिया। हमेशा की तरह इस बार भी ये बंदा बत्ती सी दिखा कर ही रह गया। हमेशा की तरह ये बंदा खिसिया कर ही रह और कुछ भी नहीं कर पाया। क्या कुछ हुआ हमारा आज के इस डिबेट में, आज के इस इंटरव्यू में, चलिए देखते हैं।
A top story tonight. Over the last month, several Congress leaders have been, big and small, have been leaving the party. Many of them making a beeline to the BJP. Two high-profile exits today jolted the Congress again. Its spokesperson on economic issues considered close to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Gaurav Vallabh, and the expelled former MP Sanjay Nirupam left the grand old party just as the Lok Sabha election campaign is taking off. It is one thing for you to say, and I repeat this again, it is one thing for you to say you believe that the Congress made a mistake not attending the Pran Pratishtha, you believe it's against your Sanatan Dharma, they've become anti-Sanatan, that's your right. Then to go to the BJP suddenly, a party that you have been so critical of, its economic policies, its political ideology for the last 10 years, or for the last 5 years at least, now suddenly you've gone and joined them overnight. Then you are accused of being an opportunist, a political climber, going with the jahan suraj ja raha, you're going with it.
Again, Rajdeep ji, you are wrong. I joined Congress party when Congress party had 42 MPs in the house.
Exactly.
I joined at that point of time. I had not joined BJP that I am having cases against me. I am clean. I am proud of that. I am a teacher. I always listen from my core of my heart. उगता सूरज वगैरह, अगर उगता सूरज में जाना होता तो 42 सांसद वाली पार्टी कोई ज्वाइन करता क्या? I am asking you, Rajdeep ji, can you answer this question?
ये क्या ही बोलेगा?
Rebut this argument. I can't tolerate anything against Sanatan. I can't tolerate anything against the development of the country. If there is Prime Minister Modi saying that by 2047 we are going to be a developed nation, I want to contribute in that, and every political party, irrespective of their ideology, and all workers of all political parties should strive to this mission.
So do you regret all the remarks you made against
by 2047?
So do you regret all the remarks you made against Prime Minister Modi in the past? Do you regret it?
As I told you, there are some things which are uncompromisable, unnegotiable. There can't be any discussion on that. And Dharma, Sanatan, economic issues are unnegotiable and unpardonable for me.
Your decision to quit the Congress, join the BJP has taken many people by surprise, given your strong stand against the BJP in the past. How do you explain your decision to suddenly overnight move from the Congress to the BJP?
Rajdeep ji, namaskar, and namaskar to all your viewers. Rajdeep ji, for last 3-4 months, I was sharing my concerns which I had written in my letter to all senior leaders of the Congress party. That if Congress party leaders and allies of Congress party are making anti-Sanatan statements, we can't give a silent approval to those statements. We can't silently accept those statements. Rajdeep ji, I told Congress party leaders again and again that not going in Pran Pratishtha of Bhagwan Shri Ram
ये राजदीप ऐसा मुंह काय बना रहा भैया, इसको क्या हो गया?
And if you are not going in on that particular day, 3 months had passed, Rajdeep ji. From the day the Pran Pratishtha invitation were refused, from that day till now, I had never appeared for any TV interview. I had not done any TV show, Rajdeep ji, because I was trying to pursue them that this is not the right path. Anti-Sanatan things are not right path. not going into Pran Pratishtha of Bhagwan Shri Ram is not the right path.
You're saying the Congress has become anti-Sanatan. The fact is Rahul Gandhi's views in a way of between Hinduism and Hindutva have also been well known. Has Gaurav Vallabh woken up to all of this only now that the Congress is suddenly, you're saying, against wealth creators or anti-Sanatan?
No.
It was always.
No, Rajdeep ji, when Congress party had refused to go for the Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha, it is only 3 months back. From that day I tried my best, Rajdeep ji. They were not in sync with my idea of India or Bharat. So I left.
It's one thing to criticize
I
the Congress,
can't-
but what were you doing
I
for the last
can't-
several years? Rahul Gandhi has not changed. Gaurav Vallabh has changed.
I can't tolerate the refusal of not attending Pran Pratishtha.
Okay.
And from that day, Rajdeep ji, had you seen me on your debates for last 4 months, I am asking you. I was very vocal and I love to participate in your debates, in your shows. Had you seen me? Had you seen any press conference by me in last 4 months? In last 4 months, the anti-Sanatan statements were coming from the Congress party leaders and the allies of the Congress party. I told that we have to react to that. But I can't be a Mukh Darshak, na, I can't be a silent observer. I had not changed, Rajdeep ji. For 4 months, I went to every senior leader house,
Right.
shared my concerns. I don't want to name the people that what is said by X and what is said by Y.
Can
But
I-
all of them had refused to act on my advices.
Can
That
I-
I can say.
वेल कहाँ से रिएक्ट करें, कहाँ से कोई एक्शन लिया जाए, कहाँ से कोई भी कुछ कर पाए? अगर मालिक ही, अगर बॉस ही, अगर लीडर ही वो सब करवा रहा हो, अगर किसी भी पार्टी का मुखिया कोई काम करने को बोल रहा हो तो भाई उसके चमचे, उसके फॉलोअर्स तो वैसा ही करेंगे। और यही कांग्रेस में चल रहा था। ये बंदा हो सकता है अगर ये सच बोल रहा है तो हो सकता है अंदर ही अंदर घुट रहा हो सकता है अंदर ही अंदर ये बंदा ट्राई कर रहा हो। लेकिन कांग्रेस कुछ भी कर सकती है, कांग्रेस कोई भी मदद कर सकती है, मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि कांग्रेस ही एंटी सनातन स्टेटमेंट्स को हमेशा से प्रमोट करती आ रही है, एंटी सनातन एक्टिविटीज को हमेशा से इवन फंड भी करती आ रही है। बाकी आप इस बारे में क्या सोचते हैं कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं। जल्द मिलते हैं किसी नए वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक गुड बाय, नमस्कार, जय हिंद।